Mental wellness is important to me because it allows me to find a little joy in things around me.
Mental wellness is actually one of the most important things that people found out during COVID especially.
When it comes to physical health, physical ailments, you can see physically, you can see the pain. Whereas for mental well-being, is more unseen. The pain that people go through is no less real than physical well-being.
We are all stressed out and also busy with a lot of different types of responsibilities and commitments. So I think having a sound like mental health, can really help to function like day to day, because a lot of things is actually playing in our mind. So once we kind of sort out what we call the monkey mind, I think that would actually help in our body functions day to day and that kind of stuff.
If you don't pay attention to mental wellness, it is like something that is planted in the root, and this root will slowly grow into seedlings and subsequently become a more serious problem.
Coming from a dance background, I feel any form of movement helps with mental wellness. For example, yoga. There's a breath element here. The breath can be a form of medium for us to communicate with our body. It will tell you how your body's feeling, and the movement serves as a challenge to let you know that how your body's feeling. Are you able to breathe in the movement? It forces you to use your mind to start to internalize what you're feeling that day, that moment. I feel this is how it helps with your wellness.
Mental wellness is important to me because it plays a very crucial part. It helps us to make a best decision in our own ability with a balanced mindset in a sense. And at the same time, it helps us with facing challenges in our best ability.
I think that there are always two sides in seeing things. So we always tend to see things pessimistic. And then it's very important to change your view on how to see things.